is there anyone else in this class what ambition means? Yeah, Putra, what ambition means?
It means what we want to be in the future, Ustazah.
Yes, that's right. It means what you want to be in the future. So because you are answer my question, I will ask you first. What is your ambition, Putra?
My ambition is to be a doctor, Ustazah, because I want to help sick people.
Yeah. Doctor is a noble thing. Why do you want to be a doctor, Putra?
Because I like science and I want to make people healthy.
Masya Allah. So next we move to Inas. How about you? What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher, Ustazah, because I like teach little children.
Do you like teach little children? What will you teach to your children one day?
I will teach English and I will tell them to overspeak.
Masya Allah. Yeah, teacher it helps students to learn many things. So it's a really great idea in us. Next, we'll go to the Atifa. Atifa, how about you? What is your dream job?
I want to be scientist, Ustazah, because I want to make an education.
What kind of education do you want to be?
Maybe that have my minerals and my
So your mom can rest? I think your mom will be very happy every single day because of that robot. So today, we move to the boys. Zahran, how about you? What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot, Ustazah. I want to fly a plane around the world.
Masya Allah, Zahran. Don't forget to invite me join into your airplane. Now, next, Faik, how about you? What is your dream? What is
I
your
want to be a football player, Ustazah. I love playing football every day.
what team do you want to play for? Real Madrid or Manchester or maybe Timnas?
I want to be a play for Real Madrid and win a big trophy.
Masya Allah. All of our ambition are amazing. So, how we reach our dream?
By studying hard.
Yes, by studying hard. And also by making dua and always believe that Allah will help you